Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to bring the power of ChatGPT into your OBS live streams, complete with text-to-speech functionality. So let's dive in. First, let's see this setup in action. I'm going to speak, and ChatGPT will respond with its own voice. Watch how it works. Can you draft a short welcome message for my YouTube video about using ChatGPT?
Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our YouTube channel. Today, I am thrilled to bring you a very exciting video where we dive into.
Now, let's see how this is done. The setup involves two main parts, capturing the transcript of my voice and converting ChatGPT's responses into audio. To get a transcription of my voice, I'm using the local vocal transcription plugin that sends the transcription into a text source called incoming subs. Once we get an output on the transcription source, we use a URL source to send it to OpenAI's chat completions API endpoint. I added this new feature called aggregate to empty, which will aggregate the transcription output until it hits an empty output, at which point it will take the aggregated value as the content. Once this returns, it will put the output in a new text source called ChatGPT. Now I'm going to use another URL API source to take the value of this text source and send it to OpenAI's text-to-speech endpoint to provide the audio. In this case, I'm going to use the audio speech endpoint, set up the headers properly. I'll get the input from the ChatGPT source and use that as the input in the JSON to this endpoint. I would request a text-to-speech one model and an output format of AAC, which is compatible with OBS. I'll use the no empty, no same to skip that, but there's no reason to use the aggregate to empty. The other new feature in this request would be the content type audio data. This allows me to send binary data that I get from the response from OpenAI directly to an audio source. So I'm going to select that, save this, and choose the output for this request to go directly to my media source called TTS audio. TTS audio is just a plain media source, and it's going to be populated automatically with a file that the URL source will save and send directly to this source once it's ready. And that's it. So let's see how this works again. I would like to congratulate everyone for making it to the end of the video, as well as encourage them to like and subscribe to my content.
Congratulations to everyone for making it to the end of the video. Your support and dedication mean a lot to me.
So there you have it. And thanks everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.